guys, welcome back to my channel, Ramona Charlene. I know it's been a while since I've recorded a video. It's been like over a month. I'm so sorry. Things have been crazy, but this video is going to be super exciting. It is an unboxing video. I went on a website called WowEbony Hair and I ordered a wig, and the wig has come and I wanted to unbox it with you guys because why not? Just in case you guys want an affordable wig. And yeah, that's the key thing. It's extremely affordable. So it came through UPS in this beautiful little bag here. By the way, I freaking hate UPS because if you don't have a buzzer code, they don't even like call you to be like, hey, are you home? They just send the package back to the office and then you have to go there and go get it. I freaking hate UPS. So inside the bag is the box. And honestly, WowEbony's packaging is super, super cute. I know it's just like WowEbony on a white box, but when you see what's inside, then you're gonna be like, okay girl, we know what you mean. So as soon as you open the box, it kind of looks like this. Yeah, so you get these two items when you open up the box. So you get an elastic band inside this cute little package here. So for those of you that don't like combs or whatever, and you like to do the elastic band method with your wig, they do give you an elastic band. The last thing that you get inside the package is you get a wig cap. Now, can we all like take a moment to appreciate her face? I hope it's focusing. Appreciate her face. Now for the fun part. I'm gonna have all the information about the wig inside the description bar because I can't really remember off by hand exactly what I ordered. I'm gonna try, so if I do say the wrong thing, the correct thing will be in the description box for this exact link and all that stuff. So this is the wig. I got a 12-inch, I believe it's 180 density Indian virgin hair. I got it in, I believe this is color 1B that I got. So it comes in a little net, right? So we're gonna unbox it. So the first thing that I did, you guys, like when I unboxed this, like the hair for one is super soft. And as you can see, like, okay, there's like a few strands, so there's not much shedding. Like, it's not that bad. Everybody knows that like all hair sheds, but like this is pretty good for the price that I paid. And I believe after converting it to Canadian, it came up to like $200, plus I used the coupon code. So yeah, like there's not much shedding. It's not too bad. Like I ran my hands through it a few times and like, yeah, the shedding's pretty amazing. I did get mine pre-pluck. I hope you guys can see that. And it does come with baby hair. So as I said, this is a lace front. So this is the lace. I got mine in a light beige. Sorry, light brown, not beige, light brown. I am thinking about bleaching. I am gonna have to bleach the knots because you can like, I'm gonna have to bleach the wig caps because you can see the knots through it. I'm just gonna put it against my skin if you guys can kind of tell. You can see it. So I'm gonna bleach it. And inside of the wig, you do get 4 combs. So for those of you who like combs, you get combs. I, for one, am gonna definitely be cutting these out because I hate combs. But yeah, you get combs. And then they also give you lace in the back, which is pretty awesome. So if you want to kind of try and do a little updo, well, not an updo, but like if you want to do like a low, like a kind of mid-length pony, you can totally do that because they give you lace at the back and you also get a comb. And there is also an adjustable strap here. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of, I want you guys to get like a full thing here of the wig. So this is what it looks like when you put it inside out. So it looks like that so that everyone can see. Again, the hair is super soft. You get like a decent, oops, don't want to drop the baby. So this is the lace parting that you get. So I'm just gonna put it like that so you guys can see because like I didn't measure it and it's better if you can visually just see how much you're getting. So like I'm gonna try and do this so you can see. So that's all your lace parting here. Right, so you get a good amount. You get a good amount to work with. If you're looking for an affordable wig, I definitely would recommend WowEbony Hair. The shipping didn't take that long. I ordered it. It took like maybe about a week. It took the time, so the shipping's not too bad. And for the price, like this hair is really nice. I definitely would recommend it. So the hair does have like a bit of a wave to it, so it's not bone straight, which is kind of cute. I feel like if maybe you're going for like a nice beachy look, if you put some products in this would totally give you that look. But yeah, those are all my specs on the wig. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have ordered from WowEbony Hair. I would love to know your views as well. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot a comment in the comment section, or you can email me. If you're not following me on Instagram or Snapchat, you should, because we're supposed to be friends. Catch you in my next video.